Do septic safe cleaners help break down solids? Many homeowners wonder, do septic safe cleaners help break down solids? The answer is yes, but they work best when combined with proper septic system maintenance. Septic safe cleaners are made to protect the beneficial bacteria inside a septic tank. These bacteria naturally break down waste and help prevent solids from building up too quickly. Unlike harsh chemical cleaners, septic safe products are gentler and help maintain a healthy balance inside the tank. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. How septic safe cleaners work. Most septic safe cleaners contain enzymes or bacteria that help digest organic waste. They can help break down 1. Grease and oils. 2. Food particles. 3. Soap residue. 4. Organic sludge. When solids break down more efficiently, the septic system can work more smoothly and reduce the chance of clogs or backups. Benefits of septic safe cleaners. Using septic safe products regularly offers several advantages: helps reduce sludge buildup, supports healthy bacteria growth, reduces bad odors, protects pipes and drains, improves septic system performance. These cleaners are especially useful for homes with older septic systems or frequent drain use. Cleaners to avoid. Some products can harm the bacteria inside the tank and slow down waste breakdown. Avoid using too much bleach, ammonia, antibacterial cleaners, strong chemical drain cleaners. Overusing these products may damage the natural balance of the septic tank. Simple septic maintenance tips. To keep your system healthy, follow these steps. 1. Pump the septic tank regularly. 2. Avoid flushing wipes or grease. 3. Use water carefully. 4. Choose biodegradable cleaning products. 5. Use septic safe treatments when needed. Good habits can help extend the life of your septic system and prevent expensive repairs. So, do septic safe cleaners help break down solids? Yes, they can support the natural breakdown of waste and help maintain a healthier septic system. While they are not a replacement for septic pumping, they can reduce buildup and improve overall system efficiency when used correctly. Choosing the right septic safe cleaner is a simple way to protect your septic tank and keep it working properly for years. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.